students, welcome to the lesson 1 of Core Java training by Study9.com. Here are the topics that we shall cover today. That what is Java? What are the reasons behind its creation? Because to understand Java, it is essential to understand the reasons behind its creation. Then we shall discuss that how it has came into being. The effect of Java on the internet, what is Java Virtual Machine or JVM, and we will also edit and run our first Java program. So let's start by discussing about Java. Well, Java is one of the most popular programming languages. It is reported that 9 million developers have created Java applications in all major industries. Java is a high-level programming language because it derived much of its syntax from C and C++. The language was initially developed by Sun Microsystems but now owned by Oracle as Oracle purchased Sun in the year 2010. So now Java is a product of Oracle. Java is also platform independent because Java applications can run on any platform regardless of computer architecture. That's why Java's slogan is write once, run anywhere, or means that the code that runs on one platform does not need to be recompiled to run on another. To understand Java properly, one must understand the reasons behind its creation. Like the other successful computer language, Java is also a perfect blend of the best elements from its earlier language, like C and C++. From C, it has derived its syntax, and from C++, it derived the object-oriented features. Every language innovation and development occurs for two fundamental reasons. One is to adapt with changing environments, and the other is to refine and improve the art of programming. So towards that goal, the C language was created. C was a very efficient, useful and successful language. So you might ask, why a need for something else? The answer is complexity. The increasing complexity of C programs has driven the need for better ways to manage that complexity. And C++ is a response to that need. C++ extends C by adding object-oriented features. So that's why the name is C++. So after the invention of C++, people thought that finally they found the perfect language. But it was not. Because at the same time, the World Wide Web or Internet would reach the market. And the trouble with C and C++ is that they are designed to be compiled for specific target. That is, for a specific platform. They are not platform independent. So an attempt to find a solution to this problem, Java was created. Java was conceived by James Gosling and others at Sun Microsystems in 1991. The language was initially called Oak but was renamed as Java according to the name of a famous coffee bean, that is Java coffee. Here is a joke that I want to tell you in this context, that when you drink coffee, the answer is anytime when we want to refresh or re-energize ourselves, right? So that is the motto of the Java language, to refresh the conventional way of programming and to introduce a new way of programming. So back to our discussion, that although Java has an intense effect on internet, but the original motivation was not internet, but the need for a platform-independent language for embedded systems like microwave ovens or remote controls. As you know that different devices has different types of CPUs. So we need a architecture neutral language that could run on all. But after the invention of Java, people seen that for internet, all we need is a portable and secure program. Portable because so that we can access the program from any machine, and secure because every time we are downloading something from internet, there is always a threat for the viruses and malicious codes. So Java served both the purposes by executing the Java code not on the native machine but on the Java runtime system called Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine or JVM and the output of a Java compiler is not the executable code. Rather, it is bytecode. Translating a Java program into bytecode makes it much easier to run a program in a wide variety of environments because only the JVM needs to be implemented for each platform. It will not interact at all with the native computer system. So also it is ensuring the safety and the security. JVM is called Java Virtual Machine because it is not a physical machine that has processor, but it is a virtual machine that acts like a system on which Java programs are running. Remember, although the details of JVM will differ from platform to platform, but all understand the same Java bytecode. So the same bytecode can be executed on different platforms because the bytecode comprising the program will think that they are communicating with the physical machine, but actually they are interacting with the JVM. These are the Java's buzzwords. Some of these buzzwords have already been discussed and the others will be discussed in the subsequent chapters. Now it's time to discuss our first Java program. It's a simple Java program named test.java. It has only one statement inside the main, that is system.out.println inside bracket hello world. First, I will show you that how to run this program. The IDE that we are going to use here is Eclipse. You can also edit and execute a Java program from command prompt. Today we shall discuss about Eclipse. In the next class, I will show you how to execute a program from command prompt. So, let's run the code. I am just copying this program . And opening our Eclipse IDE. So this is the Luna version of Eclipse. So first of all, we have to create the workspace. Workspace is like a folder in which we shall keep all our Java programs. It is the container of the programs. So I am giving the name of the workspace as example. The IDE is loading. So just cross the welcome screen. And come here in the file menu. I am creating a new Java project. I am giving the name of the project as same like example. Please wait for a moment. So the project is created and its name is example. So just click on the plus sign and click on SRC, right click and create a new Java package. Now a Java package is something in which we can write the Java classes. We have different types of Java package like java.lang, java.util, java.io. The default Java package is java.lang. We shall discuss about Java package in the later chapters. So now our package is created. Just right click on the package and create a new class. Because as you know, the Java code should be embedded inside the class. So I am giving the name of the class as test. So our Java class is created. Inside the class, we have to paste our code. So as you can see that all the Java statements are kept inside the class. Now I am running the Java program. Right click, run as Java application. Select all. OK. Here is the output below in the window. That is the hello world. One more thing I want to tell you. At the time of building the class, from the package, you can also add the public static void main. That is this line. So actually the Eclipse IDE is doing 50% job on behalf of you. Fine. So now let's go to our presentation. And let's discuss about the program. So the first of all, I want to tell you that every Java program should be saved with .java extension. You can see that the name of the source file, I am going to the program, that the name of the source file given here is test.java. That is the same with the class name. This is not a coincidence. This is intentional. Because in Java, all code must reside inside a class. Class is the holder for the whole Java program. So by convention, the name of the class should match with the name of the file. So make it easier to maintain and organize your program. The first two lines of the program is a comment. That is the contents within /* and */. This will be ignored by the compiler. This is purely for the understanding purpose of the programmer. Now the first line uses the keyword class to declare that a new class is being defined. Example is the class identifier is declared here is test. The entire class definition, including all of its members, will be between the opening curly brace and the closing curly brace. For the moment, don't worry too much about the details of a class. Here in this lesson, I am just trying to give you the preliminary ideas of the basic Java concepts. Each topic I shall repeat again in our course. So good luck and happy coding.